If Laguna Gujranwala is a real estate development or any other type of investment project, I would recommend conducting thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Here are some general steps to consider when evaluating an investment opportunity. Look for official websites, brochures, and documentation related to Laguna Gujranwala. Understand the project's objectives, features, location, and proposed timeline. Investigate the reputation and track record of the developer behind the project. Check their past projects, reviews, and any legal or financial issues they may have encountered. Assess the location's potential for growth and demand, proximity to essential amenities, transportation links, and economic developments can influence the investment's long-term viability. Verify that the project has obtained all necessary permits, approvals, and complies with local regulations. Request financial projections and evaluate its potential return on investment, ROI, and risks associated with the investment. Consult with a financial advisor, real estate expert, or legal counsel to gain additional insights and to clarify any uncertainties. Identify potential risks associated with the investment, and have a clear exit strategy in case you need to liquidate your investment. Remember, investing in any project carries inherent risks, and it's essential to make informed decisions to safeguard your financial interests. Always exercise caution and seek professional advice before committing to any investment opportunity. Thanks for watching.